in this video we will design a login screen using text view, edit text and a button. So this is your login screen. So this is your text view, the second one is your edit text, and third one is the button. So in the case of the edit text, we have simply display a hint, that is your user have to enter its first and last name. If user type its name in the edit text, the keyboard will be display. The user will type its first and last name. After entering the first and last name, he will click on the button. So if the username is correct, then the login button will be disabled. That is the first thing. The second thing, the text view will be changed from login screen to OK, please wait. The third part, we are simply display a toast message. The toast message will be simply your welcome user name. So that is the toast message when username is correct. The second thing, if username is incorrect, then what will be happen? Then only a toast message will be display. The username is incorrect. So that is the coding part, that is the condition part of your login screen. So the first one, we have simply design a login screen, and that condition we have simply set in the Java file. So you can simply use the, for the design part you can simply use the linear layout. So the first part will be text view, the second part is your edit text, and third one is the button. So in case of the XML file, we have used the linear layout, that is the text view, ID, width, height, background color, text. So simply the variable we are simply stored in the string.xml file, and that value will be displayed in the text view. Same in the edit text. So that is the text size, text style. The second widget is your edit text, ID, width, height, margin top, and for hint we have used the variable enter your first and last name in the string.xml. In case of the edit text, we have simply want the user, when user type its name, automatic the first letter will be capital and automatic the spelling will be check. So these are two things we have simply used in the input type. For the text capital, we have used text cap word. So automatic the first letter of the word will be capital by text cap words. For correction part, for spelling correction, we can use the text auto correct. So these two value will be a simply set of the value of input type. So that is the text size. So when user click on the edit text, a keyboard will be displayed. So by request focus, there is request focus is a method by which we can simply set the focus. So when user will click on the edit text, the keyboard will be displayed by the request focus method. So next one is the button, ID, width, height, margin top, and text. So that is the coding of your XML file. Now I will come on the string.xml file. So we have simply stored the variable, and that is the value of your variable. For Java file, I am simply explain these are the different file which we have required: view, button, edit text, text view, and toast. We have used the toast message, so we have to import these classes. Now we are simply create the object of the text view, edit text, button. For the toast message, we have used two variable. One is the context, the second one is the duration. So the toast message having two type of duration by default. One is the toast.length short, and second duration can be toast.length long. For short value, the message toast message means pop-up message will be displayed for 2 seconds. If we have set the value of long, then the toast message will be displayed from 3 to 5 seconds. So we can, according to our requirement, we can set the duration. So next code is we have simply create the on create, then set content view. We have simply find view by id. We have used 3 widgets, so text view, find view by id, edit text, find view by id, button, find view by id. Then the logic will become, our logic will become when the user will click on the button. When user will be click on the button, according to the condition will be check out. So our code will be in the, for button we have used the object button login. So button login dot set on click listener, view dot on click listener. In that case we have used the method on click. So in case of the on click, we have take the variable. So user have click on the edit text, his type his name. When user will click on the button, we will simply compare the value of first and last name with some predefined value. If that value is okay, then the login button will be disabled, the value of text view will be changed, and the welcome toast message will be displayed. So according to, we have simply set a username, that is our according to our requirement. So first of all, we have to obtain the value of edit text. So for that we have used the method, that is method is known as your get text. ToString is the method we have used to convert the string. So that is the complete value. We have simply obtained the value of edit text by the get text, and that value is convert into the string, and that value will be saved in the variable of the string username. That is the first thing. The second thing, now we will simply compare the username with predefined username. Suppose username को मैं I will take my name, username dot equal. So that value will be compare, that edit text value will be compare with this value. If that value is equivalent, so what we have to do, we have to change the value of text view. So to change the value of text view, we have used the function set text. So the variable of text view dot set text, okay, please wait. So that is the first thing we are simply do. We have changed the value of the text view by the function set text, and in double quotes what the message you want to change, you are simply type that, okay, please wait. The second part, we are simply want to disable the button. So button के लिए we have used the set enable method, and we have simply passed the value false. So automatically your button will be disabled. The third thing is that we want to display the toast message. Toast message is your pop-up message. So it will be display a pop-up message on your current screen. So to display the toast message, we have used a method. That method is known as your make text. By make text, we simply create a toast message. So it will take 3 arguments. The first one is the context. Second one is the string. Third one is the time. So we want to display, कहाँ पे हम डिस्प्ले करना चाहते हैं टोस्ट मैसेज, उसको लिए वी हैव यूज द वर्ड कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सो वी वांट टू डिस्प्ले द टोस्ट मैसेज ऑन आवर एप्लीकेशन. सो दैट मीन्स वी वांट टू यूज द method that is the get application context. So that method simply जो आपकी current screen की वैल्यू होगी, स्ट्रिंग का पार्ट होगा, उस पर टोस्ट मैसेज डिस्प्ले होगा. तो उसके लिए वी हैव यूज द मेथड गेट एप्लीकेशन कॉन्टेक्स्ट. सेकेंड वन, वी वांट टू डिस्प्ले द वेलकम मैसेज. तो वेलकम वी आर सिंपली राइट डाउन इन द डबल कोट्स, प्लस में यूज़र नेम होगा. तो यूज़र नेम के लिए ऑलरेडी वी हैव सेट द वैल्यू. तो वेलकम जो भी यूज़र का नेम होगा वो वेलकम यूज़र नेम आ जाएगा. द थर्ड आर्ग्यूमेंट इज द टाइम. सो ड्यूरेशन के लिए वी हैव ऑलरेडी टेक द वैल्यू टोस्ट डॉट लेंथ अंडरस्कोर शॉर्ट, और यू कैन यूज टोस्ट डॉट लेंथ अंडरस्कोर लॉन्ग. So we want to display it. So for the display part, we are use the dot show. So by these statement, your toast message will be displayed on your current screen, and that message will be displayed for 2 seconds as we have set the value show. So this is the condition when username is correct. If username is incorrect, what we want to display, the username is not a valid user. So same, we have display the toast message, though the condition is the else toast dot make text, that is the get application context username, जो यूजर नेम टाइप किया है प्लस इज नॉट ए वैलिड यूजर, द टाइम ड्यूरेशन इज फॉर 2 सेकेंड, दैट इज द शॉर्ट डॉट शो. तो बाय दिस स्टेटमेंट if username is incorrect, then a toast message will be displayed, it is not a valid user. So in that case we have just take example, that is the if username is according to, if username is equal to this one, then these three part will be happen, otherwise a toast message will be displayed. So this is your coding part, this is the coding part. We are simply using the XML, we have using the string.xml, and that is the Java file. Okay, so now we want to execute our application. So for execution I just start my application. So we will use two part. One, I will type the name searching my name, otherwise in second case I will simply enter a invalid name. So you can build your application. After building the application, you will use the emulator or your mobile phone, and when our application will be start, so the login screen will be display. So the user will be type his first name and last name in the edit text. So correspondence to that condition, the toast message will be displayed in both the case, but if the username is invalid, then only toast message display, but in case of the username is correct, then the text view will be changed, toast message will be displayed, and the button will be disabled. So that part will be happen in our application when we have execute our application. So it's taking time, just so this is my login screen, so that is the text view, that is the value of edit text, that is the button. So if I am type correct username, then what will be happen, a toast message is display, welcome message, the button is disabled, and the value of the text view is change. When I'm enter the correct username. In case I take the second example, if I'm enter the invalid username, so I'm entering the invalid username. So when I will click invalid username, that is the message, that is the toast message is disabled, the username is invalid. So that is the example you have to implement. Okay students, thank you.